Hi students, my name is Nagendra Babu. In my previous video, I taught the definition of polynomials and the degree of the polynomial and the types of polynomials according to the degree and the number of terms and a small introduction about zeros of the polynomial. Now, today in this video, I will try to elaborate about the zero of the polynomial. The zero of the polynomial. Let us take a polynomial, linear polynomial. That is, suppose p of x is equal to x plus 2. Let us find the value of this polynomial at different values of x. That is, put x is equal to 1 first. At x is equal to 1, the value of this polynomial is 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Let us take another value for x. Let it be minus 1. Substitute minus 1 in place of x in this polynomial. That is minus 1 plus 2 equal to 1. Now, again substitute plus 2 in place of x. That will become 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And put minus 2 in place of x. That will become minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. If you observe these four values, at x equal to 1, polynomial value is 3. At x is equal to minus 1, the value of the polynomial is 1. At x is equal to 2, the value of the polynomial is 4. And at x is equal to minus 2, the value of the polynomial is 0. If you see this example, the value of x at which the value of the polynomial will be equal to 0 is taken as 0 of the polynomial. Here, for this polynomial, at x is equal to minus 2, its value is 0. That's why minus 2 is called 0 of this polynomial. Let us see the simplest way to find the 0 of the polynomial. Here p of x is equal to x plus 2. Just simplify or solve this expression. Solve that polynomial. That is x plus 2 equal to 0. Take that polynomial equal to 0 and find x. That implies x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. No need to try with different values of x to get the 0 of the polynomial. Just take that polynomial and solve its x value. That is, here the polynomial is x plus 2. Take that x plus 2 equal to 0 and find out that x value. That is, x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Like that, suppose let us take another polynomial, that is 2x plus 3. What is the 0 of the polynomial of 0 of this polynomial? That means for what value its value becomes 0. No need to try with the different values of x. Just take this polynomial and solve its x value. How can we solve its x value? Take the polynomial 2x plus 3 and equal to 0. Then solve that x value. That means 2x is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So at x is equal to minus 3 by 2, its value becomes 0. That's why minus 3 by 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. Like that, we can find the 0 of the polynomial without trial and error method. That means take that polynomial and find its x value. Solve that x value. That will be the 0 of the given polynomial. Let us find the zeros of 3 more polynomials. So, take this polynomial p of x is equal to 2x minus 1. That means to find the 0 of this polynomial, solve this polynomial. That means take 2x minus 1 equal to 0. This implies transpose this constant to RHS. This constant minus 1 to the RHS. That means 2x is equal to minus 1. If you transpose negative value to RHS, then it becomes positive. So, minus 1 becomes positive. This implies x is equal to 1 by 2. So, at x is equal to 1 by 2, the value of this polynomial becomes 0. That's why 1 by 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. Let us see another example. P of x is equal to 3x plus 4 is given. To find the 0 of this polynomial, take this polynomial equal to 0. That means 3x plus 4 equal to 0. This implies, first of all, transpose this constant to RHS. If you transpose this plus 4 to RHS, it will become minus 4. That implies 3x is equal to plus 4 becomes minus 4. That implies x is equal to minus 4 by 3. So at x is equal to minus 4 by 3, the value of this polynomial will become 0. That's why minus 4 by 3 is the 0 of this polynomial. And next, 7x plus 2, p of x is equal to 7x plus 2. So take 7x plus 2 equal to 0, implies 7x is equal to plus 2 becomes minus 2, and so on, and implies x is equal to minus 2 by 7. That means at minus 2 by 7 its value is 0. That's why minus 2 by 7 is called 0 of this polynomial. Verify whether 2 and 0 are the zeros of this given polynomial. What is the polynomial given here? X square minus 2x. Take this as p of x. So p of x is equal to x square minus 2x. We have to verify whether 2 and 0 are the zeros of this polynomial. Simple. Simplify or just substitute these two values in place of x. Let us see what happens. So p of 2, first substitute 2 in place of x. That is equal to 2 square minus 2 into 2. That is equal to 2 square means 4 minus 2 2s are 4 equal to 0. Also substitute this 0 in place of x. That is taken as p of 0 equal to 0 square minus 2 into 0 equal to 0 square value is 0 minus 2 into 0 is 0. So its value is also 0. At x is equal to 2 and 0, the polynomial value became 0. That's why 2 and 0 are called zeros of this polynomial. Remember, according to the degree of the polynomial, we will get the number of zeros. That means if the degree of the polynomial is 1, that is, if the given polynomial is linear polynomial, there will be 1 zero of the polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial is 2, the second degree polynomial we call as quadratic polynomial. For the quadratic polynomial, there will be 2 zeros. For third degree polynomial is called as cubic polynomial. For that cubic polynomial, there will be 3 zeros of the polynomial, 3 zeros. For the fourth degree polynomial, we call that fourth degree polynomial as biquadratic polynomial. For that fourth degree polynomial, there will be 4 zeros of the polynomial. So, according to the degree of the polynomial, we will get the number of zeros of the. Let us solve a problem. This sum is very important to both 9th and 10th classes. He is asking, if 3 is a zero of the polynomial x square plus 2x minus a, then find a. What he is saying? 3 is the zero of the polynomial. Given polynomial, let us indicate that polynomial as p of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus a. Given 3 is the zero of the polynomial. If you want to verify if 3 is the zero of the polynomial or not, substitute 3 in place of x. If you get value 0 of the 0 to this polynomial, then we will consider that 3 is the zero of the polynomial. But what he is saying here, given 3 is the zero of the polynomial, 3 is the zero of the polynomial, then we have to find the value of a. That's why take or substitute 3 in place of x and take 0 equal to 0. Given 3 is the zero of the polynomial. That's why in place of x substitute 3 and take equal to 0. That means p of 3 equal to 0. Because 3 is given 0 of the polynomial. That's why we are taking equal to 0 after substituting 3 in place of x. So this implies in place of x 3 square plus 2 into 3 minus a equal to 0. This implies 3 square means 9 plus 2 3 is 6 minus a equal to 0. This implies 9 plus 6, 15 minus a equal to 0. That implies 15 minus a equal to 0 means we want to find the value of a. That's why keep this a value in the left LHS only and transpose this constant to RHS. 15, transpose this for 15 to RHS. Then minus a is equal to, by transposing this positive 15 to RHS, it will become negative 15. That means minus 15. So both sides minus minus gets cancelled. That implies a is equal to 15. So the value of a is 15. That means 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. He asked to find the value of a. That's why we substituted 3 in place of x and taken equal to 0. Then we got a is equal to 15. So this is very important, very important to 9th and 10th classes. So try to do some more problems related to this one. Let us solve one more example. Here the polynomial given is p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. What is given? 2 is the 0 of this given polynomial. Given 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. That's why substitute 2 in place of x and take equal to 0. That means p of 2 equal to 0. That implies by substituting 2 in place of x, we will get 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 7a equal to 0. This implies 2 into 2 square value is 4 minus 3 to 6 plus 7a equal to 0. Implies 2 fours 8 minus 6 plus 7a equal to 0. This implies 8 minus 6 is 2 plus 7a equal to 0. This implies 2 plus 7a equal to 0. We want to find a value. That's why keep this a term in LHS only and transpose this constant to RHS. If you transpose this plus to RHS, it will become minus 2. This implies 7a equal to minus 2. Implies a equal to minus 2 by 7. So here we got a is equal to 7. Given 2 is the 0 of the polynomial and he asked to find the value of a. That's why we substituted 2 in place of x and taken equal to 0 and proceeded. So we got a is equal to minus 2. Let us see one more example. This is also very important sum. If 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial, this is the polynomial given. Let us take this polynomial. F of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. This is the polynomial given. 0 and 1 are the zeros of this polynomial. Here two zeros are given to this polynomial. And he asked to find value a and b. First take this one. This is also a 0 of the polynomial. For that substitute 0 in place of x and take equal to 0. Because given this is the 0 of this given polynomial. That's why substitute 0 in place of x in this given polynomial and take equal to 0. That implies by substituting 0 you will get 2 into 0 cube minus 3 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b equal to 0. Implies 2 into 0 cube value is 0 minus 3 into 0 square value is 0 plus a into 0 is 0 plus b equal to 0. Implies 2 into 0 is 0 minus 3 0 0 plus 0 plus b equal to 0. Finally we get b equal to 0. So b value we got 0. After that we have to find the value of a also. For that here 1 is also given the 0 of this given polynomial. That means substitute 1 in place of x and take equal to 0. That means f of 1 equal to 0. By substituting 1 in place of x, we get 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b equal to 0. Given 1 is the 0 of this given polynomial, that's why we took equal to 0 by substituting 1 in place of x. This will become, this implies 2 into 1 cube is 1 minus 3 into 1 square value is 1 plus a into 1 a plus we got b equal to 0 in the first case. Substitute b equal to 0 here in this equation. So plus in place of b take 0 equal to 0. Implies 2 ones 2 minus 3 into 1 3 plus a equal to 0. No need to write this 0 again. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1 plus a equal to 0. So we want to get the value of a. That's why transpose this constant to RHS. If you transpose this minus 1 to RHS, it will become plus 1. So a is equal to minus 1 becomes plus 1. So this is the answer of a. Therefore, he asked you to find the two values a and b. We got a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. So, students, this is very important sum. Okay, students, I think you all understood this sum very clearly. If you have any doubts, feel free to uh, post your suggestions or comments in the comment box. Like this video, share this video to all your friends, subscribe my channel for some more new notifications, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And in my next video, I will try to introduce a very difficult concept which so many students feel difficult. That is division of polynomials. Division of polynomials, so many students feel very difficult. I will try to teach that clearly and easily. So keep in touch with all my videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for new notifications. Thank you very much.